Oh.
Ooh.
Oh.
Oh.
We did a rather reckless thing today.
Yeah.
We went to go get a set of seats, two seats.
Just one set of new seats.
And now we have two sets of seats.
Yeah.
Fuck it.
Fuck it.
Let's do a seat comparison.
Oh yeah.
These have been slightly used. He said he had it in the car for what, like a couple weeks or a couple months, and it sat outside mostly. Maybe two track events in it, and these are brand new. These ones came with the sliders because he had them installed previously and it wasn't worth pulling out. God, these look so good, dude.
Yeah, they do. And you got your red and black.
That's exactly what I was looking for too online.
I wanted ones that were all black. And they match the stitching on my steering wheel, so.
Dude, these say Brom on the back too, that's so sick. It has like this carbon, they need to be wiped down a little bit, but like this carbon look. All right, first sit. Oh. Oh.
Ooh.
Oh.
Oh. Ooh. Yeah, I like these.
These are so much better.
They've got really nice shoulder bolstering too. Good.
My main thing I wanted was aggressive leg bolsterings. The stock WRX has shitty leg bolsterings, so my leg just kind of like flops out of the seat, but not the case here. And then you got your little lever here. I don't know how to mount the seatbelt. I don't think you do, maybe? Or right here? I don't know.
Probably.
I guess I'll figure that out as I get there.
Yeah.
10 out of 10 better than the WRX already, even though it's not in the car. I could just tell it's just better.
Definitely better than the stock Silvia seats, but it's not hard to beat seats from '93.
These are more aggressive than the FRS seats too.
Yeah.
Which is
I'd say they're
cool.
like a step or two above
Yeah.
the FRS seats.
Ooh.
Not as comfy. These have that aggressive. It's not really shoulder.
Is it the
bolstering,
aggressive?
It's more of like
The side bolstering.
side bolstering.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, you could kind of see the difference. So, first, I'm gonna go ahead and pull the passenger side out because I have a lot more room to work there. Slide this back. This is really straightforward. Really, really straightforward. Holy crap, what? Okay. On the backs you have these little plastic guys that kind of snap onto here and slide in. So you just gotta unsnap it, pull it out. Cool. There's one and two. I'll rock the seat back and then disconnect any wires that might be under there for the seat sensors. All right, so there's the seat sensor I was talking about. Comes up here. It's attached to this little bracket. You can't really see, I'm sorry. All right, so you got this little bracket here. It tees off. So here and here. Oh, looks like there's another one. Where's that go to? Okay, that's attached to the seatbelt. So this clip is a little stupid. It's the one that goes right here. To pull that out, you gotta pull this spring-loaded thing back. It slides back. All right, so the seat is 100% disconnected. I'll figure all this stuff out once I get the other seats next to this one. Side-by-side comparison of the Brom Advans versus the shitty stock WRX seats. Interesting. I hate those. I hate the stock so much. Now is the part where I swap the sensors over. I have to figure out how to pull this shit out. I don't know how to do this. Oh God, I don't want to do this. So, it's been probably 30 minutes to an hour. I finally got the OEM like seat sensor that sits right in here. I got all that taken out. I got the little harness and everything, the seat belt section. I got all that pulled out of here and I reassembled the seat. You have to pull this whole thing off to get in there. I got the rails off these seats. So now I'm gonna slide the sensor, the seat sensor and everything into the bottom like so. And what that's gonna do is basically trick the car into thinking that this is a factory seat. I guess we'll find out, but Josh went upstairs to cut out the specific shape cardboard for the sensor so it could hold it up under there. So I will update you once I get the sensor in there. It's much different. That's fucking nuts, dude. It's gonna be litty, dude. Does it look like from the front? Yeah. Oh, dude, that's so sick.
Dude, that looks so much better.
It's gonna feel so good. It's gonna slide around. It's not bolted in yet, so.
Whoa. Oh. I'm like down in the car. I can take a nap in these.
Mm-hmm. How do you feel?
Race car.
Dude, even from the side, you're like, your chin is lower than the door. Yeah.
This is weird. I'm like staring at the dash.
I know, you can't see shit.
You can't
Like,
even see
yeah.
the hood.
This is all I can see from right here. You can't even see the hood. This is like stock where your eyes would be, ish. Yeah, right here. I'm right here.
Nice dash.
All I can see is SUVs, stoplights, and the sky. I'm ready to do yours now.
Mm-hmm.
Yours is gonna be even a bigger improvement.
Yeah. Especially from those stock 93 seats. So we don't have any of the brackets or sliders in yet, but just going ahead and pulling out my passenger seat. I'm gonna dry fit it for now. Look at the difference, man. These don't even have bolstering. Like, what is that?
It's a pad.
It's a fucking movie theater seat. Come on.
I think movie theater seats have more bolstering.
Probably, dude. Probably.
I
Yeah.
think Dodge Caravans have more bolstering than that.
Nothing much to it. No mismatch hardware on this one, so they either managed to keep the hardware or they never took this seat out.
I don't know why the seatbelt thing is loose then.
Yeah, true. I don't know. He's just hanging out. Whatever. Let's put the Sparko in there. Finally got some stuff in yesterday that I've been waiting for all week. But it was dark when I got it. I had some other things to do, so I wasn't able to get it installed. So today we're gonna do that. These got delivered. My planted seat brackets for both the driver and passenger side. So we're gonna go throw these bad boys in and throw the Sparkos into the Silvia. So the passenger seat was already out and I just dry fitted the bracket. And it looks like it's gonna be a squeeze to get the seatbelt on here. But I'll figure it out. I might have to shim it maybe between the seat. I don't know, I'll have to get the seat on the bracket and then see if I can shim it to get it away from the center console here. I guess I'll say it like that, but I don't know. We'll figure it out. Alright, got the first bracket on the passenger seat. Pretty simple to bolt up. Just bolts directly to the sliders. I went in the middle. I don't know, there's multiple points. I mean, these were the ones that lined up with mine, but I slid them all the way over to the left just to hopefully make some clearance for this. There it is sitting on the brackets. Alright, let's get it in the car.
Yeah, 5 sets of 17s. Thank God it wasn't 18.
So how long has it been since we last recorded the seat progress?
82 years.
Hence the beard.
I've been stuck in a cave for
I mean, I
3 months.
started a whole new project on my car, which that got paused as well.
Yeah, I didn't even. They're gonna see the fucking radio in the end of this video, and the radio video's not even done. Fuck. They're in. They're finally in.
Finally. They look good.
They look awesome.
So it sets lower than the stock ones,
Mm-hmm.
but I mean,
It's much higher with the brackets. Though.
It is much higher
The
with the
brackets
brackets.
probably bought us like 2 inches. You think? Air it out. Hell yeah. Fucking low to the ground he is. I feel like that puts it in really good perspective though.
I mean, you set low. I'm also like I'm 6'1". You and me both. Like we were at the point where we were trying not to hit the top. But I mean, it's still like
Do we look like children? I feel like a child.
You
It's kind of like a child's.
kind of look like douchebags, honestly, sitting that low in the car. I'm not gonna lie.
This is what you gotta do. You gotta be like this. You gotta. All right, now we're good.
Yeah, now really big douchebags.
Now we're super douche.
Let's just get my.
It's
point of
kind of
view here.
It's kind of hard to
That's
put your arm out the. My arm is going up.
Yeah, right. That's eye level for me. What a nice view.
Yep. Yeah. There it is.
They're in. They look fucking good though. Man, they look good. I love it. Oh, I love the way it looks. And they're. I don't sit down into the car though. That's eye level's right there, like at the top of the fucking windshield, pretty much. Should have got bucket seats, but I wanted reclinable seats, so that's the trade-off. Match is so nice, dude. Love it.
It's weird how your brackets make your seats sit so much higher than my brackets make my seats sit.
It was a fucking adventure. It was like a week and a half of trial and error and trial and error and trial and error. I drove it once with the seats in here with the sliders on them. It's like, this is not gonna happen. I hate it. And now the seats are bolted to the floor pretty much. They don't move. There's no
sliding.
there's no forward or backwards. These are
Too tall, too bad.
Yep.
Too short, too bad.
Yep. So really I'm the only one that drives this car. But they recline pretty nicely too. The seat's never coming out ever again.
Turned out well.
It's drivable now. They're comfortable. They look good. I wouldn't say comfortable actually. I feel everything.
It looks like what it feels like.
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah.